This is Utkarsh from MPCG class 9, Pune, and this is my model wireless smart city. So here I am going to take you through my project. So please, this is my project, automatic tube well system. So this is a 9 volt of battery attached to 3 volt of switch and a 3 volt of motor. And when we turn on the switch, it will drag up the bucket like this. This will help the farmers in the villages who need to apply muscular force to drag up the bucket, but here electrical force is applied. So this product will help the farmers. Next we have our automatic driverless ambulance. So now we go for this. This is an LED attached to a 9 volt of battery and a 3 volt of switch. This is a 5 volt LED. This is a antenna which is attached to a receiver of backward and forward directions of signal catching transmission, and this is attached to a gear motor, and there are two wheels, and there is one battery 3 volt 1.5 volt of 3 batteries. Now I am going to start this ambulance. You can see this. This will help in futuristic hospitals where there is no ambulance available for the patients who are in danger, or there is no ambulance available in the hospital for and the ambulance is available but the driver is not available. We can use this ambulance where no driver is required. And here we are having the 4x4 engine ambulance, means this is having 4 engines, and each engine has the power supply of 3 volt, and this is all 4 motors of 3 volt. So now I am going to start it. See, you can see this. So this is a 4x4 ambulance. This will be help to people who are in trouble and in emergency cases, and this will be help on plateau area and hilly areas. So next we have our LiFi system. So this works on the wireless light fertility, and this will help the people to not by radiating any type of harmful rays, alpha particles. This will not radiate any kind of alpha particles or harmful rays. So let me show you this.
Bluetooth mode.
So this is a LiFi system. Here this is a solar panel which transmits the signal, which is transmitted from here. It catches the signal and convert it into 01 code and send it to the speaker. And when the speaker take the code and it converts, it plays the speaker plays the music. And this is a LED light of 5 volt, and this is a switch of 3 volt, and here is a battery of 9 volt attached to it. Now when I play the music, the signal will be thrown from here and it will be catched here. When the signal is transmitted from here and it catches the signal, it converts it into 01 port and the speaker plays the music. It transmits the data in gigabyte, so it is totally fluent. Okay. So this when the data is transmitted from here to this is all done by the transmission of photons, not by the alpha particles. So photons are the non-harmful rays and the alpha particles are the harmful rays. So I request all of you to not use Wi-Fi and use LiFi.